Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make crab tikki, an Indian style spicy crab cake recipe. This is my original fusion recipe and personal take of the Bengali Kakrar Bora or the Bengali crab cake. For this recipe, I'll be using equal quantities of brown and white crab meat equaling 450 grams. This is the brown meat which is more earthy in flavor, and this is the white crab meat which is more subtle in flavor. I'll also need some chopped coriander leaves and diced red chilies, 10 powdered cream cracker biscuits, and 2 eggs. Break the eggs into the crab meat. Add some mustard powder, some garlic powder, some turmeric powder, some cumin powder, some ginger powder, and some chili powder, as well as salt according to your taste. Then add the powdered cream cracker biscuits, add the coriander leaves and the diced chilies, and then mix everything together. You need to make sure that everything is mixed very nicely together, and this should be the consistency of the end product. Now it's time to form our crab tikkis. Take a handful of the crab mix, roll it into a ball and flatten it into a patty or tikki shape, and then put them in the fridge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it is time to shallow fry our crab tikkis on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn them over to fry on the other side too. Make sure you fry the edges of the crab cake as well, and then take them out. Serve the crab tikkis with some herby mayonnaise for a truly delightful seafood snack. Give these crab tikkis or Kakrar Boras a try and you'll love them. I'll cut one to show you how they look inside. You can see they are soft and juicy on the inside and nicely crispy outside. Enjoy!